So I thought I'd do a bit of an update, mostly on the board. My first two videos were on the pieces themselves, making a couple of the pieces. I figured I'd do an update on the board. This is how the board stands currently. All the tiles are epoxied in, and I've done a bit of polishing. It still needs a bit more work, plus it's very dirty, but what I'd like to do, however, is one thing with this is I'm not very happy with the hinge. This is just a standard piano hinge, and it's I don't know if you can see that, but it wiggles. Fairly loose hinge, and for the application, I guess I'm not too pleased with it. And so what I would like to do is to make my own hinges. Now I think what I'd like to do is to, instead of having them on the back, the hinge on the back, where you can't see it, I'd like to put it on the side here. It would also allow for better alignment. As you can see, there's a step there. It's not aligned very well. And having them, the hinge side mount would allow me to position it exactly where I'd like. Material for this, I have some brass strip, essentially 16th inch thick, that should do the job. So I think I'll take them out of this. Let me just put the board out of the way. Because they're going to be mounted on the side and visible, I'd like them to look good, have maybe some contours on there, something that's aesthetically pleasing. And generally, features like that can be difficult to make on manual machines. Fortunately, however, I have a machinist hammer. Now, I've never actually tried this before, but I figure if this old Tony can do it, then maybe I'd give it a try. Just have to place a mark right here. Good target. Then that didn't do it. Oh, you know what? Yeah, gotta have it set to brass. There we go. All right. Well, came out halfway decent. Look at that. Just go together like this. And pivot right there. Quite a few of them here. Oh, now I'm going to have to make some rivets to put these together. So I'll show you that next. Now they need to be polished. Here are the completed hinges. Basically what I did was the rivet is a close fit to the holes in here. Tap the rivet in, almost a press fit. Then use an automatic center punch to sort of, the center punch essentially just punches into the material, indents it, and when it does, has a tendency to push the material out. Therefore, when I punch the center there, it expands the rivet and results in a solid connection. They go on the board like this. Will go on the board like this. Now because this one is offset, I can't rivet it directly to there, and that's what this part is for.